Let's learn how to make this text effects. Open Photoshop or Illustrator. Choose Type tool. Type the letter or text you want to. Make the letter larger and save it as image. Then go to Adobe Firefly web page. Type your prompt here. Click on Generate. Choose one of the images. Let's try this one. Click on Edit and choose Use as Style Reference. This is added here. Then click here and add the image we saved earlier. Make changes on prompt. Scroll down, select Hyperrealistic. Then click on Generate. Here are the results.